All right, welcome everyone. Today we're going to cut right through all the AI hype. Our mission is to build a super practical playbook, a guide for using AI not just as some new shiny tool, but as a real amplifier for your professional judgment. So let's dive right in.
This quote really gets to the heart of it. So much of the talk around AI is about the tech itself, the models, the algorithms, all that stuff. But the real game changer, it's not the tool. It's you. It's your skill, your context, your judgment. It's kind of like this. AI is the instrument, but you're the musician.
So why are we having this conversation right now? Because getting AI right has gone from being a nice-to-have to an absolutely critical advantage. Seriously, the gap is getting wider every day between the folks who use it to amplify their skills and, well, everyone else. This is all about moving from just talking about it to seeing a real daily impact.
This is probably the best analogy I've heard. Think about a spreadsheet. It doesn't magically turn someone into a financial genius, right? Of course not. What it does is take a good analyst and make them way faster and more accurate. Well, AI works the exact same way. Its whole purpose is to amplify the expertise you already have.
But to really get there, we've got to have the right mindset first. And that means ditching some of the common myths and getting real, adopting a practical, results-focused view of what these tools can actually do, and, just as importantly, what they can't.
This quote just nails the mindset. Look, you don't need to be a mechanic to drive a car, but you better know your destination and how to read a map. It's the same thing with AI. You don't have to be a coder, but you absolutely have to be an expert on your goals and your workflow. That's where your real power is.
And that brings us to this really critical shift in how we think about this. The myth is that AI is only for the super technical people. But the reality, the true power users are the workflow experts. They're the people who know their process inside and out, so they can see the perfect spot to use AI for the biggest bang for their buck, and, this is crucial, where to keep a human firmly in control.
Okay, so with that mindset locked in, let's get to the playbook itself. This is a simple, but trust me, powerful three-part framework that you can apply to pretty much any AI initiative, whether it's big or small.
So the whole framework is built on 3 pillars. First up, strategy. You have to ask, what problem are we actually trying to solve here? Second, implementation. Okay, how do we make this happen in a disciplined way? And third, measurement. How do we even know if it's working? Because if you can't measure the impact, you can't improve it, and you certainly can't prove its value to anyone else.
Now that framework translates into this 6-point game plan. Think of it in 3 simple parts. First, you do your homework. Figure out where you're starting from and define what success looks like. Next, you bring people along for the ride. Get your stakeholders on board and build up your team's skills. And finally, you stay agile. Roll it out in phases and be totally ready to pivot based on what you're seeing in the real world.
All right, so knowing the plays is one thing, but executing them well, that's a whole different ballgame. And it all comes down to building the right habits. So let's look at the do's and don'ts, the stuff that really separates the successful teams from, well, everybody else.
These are the habits of the best teams out there. They always start with strategy, making sure they're solving a problem that actually matters. They're obsessed with value, so they can prove their impact. They build up their people because they know tools are useless without skills. And they stay flexible because, let's be real, the first plan almost never survives contact with reality.
And on the flip side, here are the fumbles you have to avoid. Misalignment among stakeholders, it's a total progress killer. Not being honest about your resources, that's a recipe for failure. And underestimating the human side of it all, the need to manage change, that's a classic mistake. Oh, and if you don't figure out how to measure success at the beginning, good luck trying to prove it at the end.
So what does this all actually look like when you put it into practice? Let's take a second to visualize the real, tangible difference this playbook can make in our day-to-day work.
This contrast really shows the transformation. The before world is all manual grind, inconsistent decisions, and when someone asks why, you just say professional judgment. The after world is about amplified judgment. The AI does the grunt work, flagging what needs your expert eye. The final call is still yours, but now when someone asks why, you can back up your expertise with hard, data-driven evidence. It's a total game changer.
And this, right here, is the single most important thing to walk away with. This is not about replacing you. It's about taking the expertise, the critical thinking, the judgment you already have, and amplifying it, making you faster, more accurate, and ultimately way more impactful.
So, I'll leave you with this question. I want you to really think about your own work right now.
Pick one specific task, one thing you do over and over. How could you apply this playbook to shift from doing that manually to using amplified judgment? Because that's the moment this stops being theory and becomes real.